You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Expediting America.
How's everybody doing today? It is Saturday, and we dropped off here in Phoenix, Arizona on Friday in the morning at the Phoenix Suns Arena. My cousin lives in Arizona, so I stayed with her Thursday night when I got here, woke up Friday, delivered that, went back to her house, bid on some jobs. Didn't get anything on Friday, but we did get something for today, yesterday. And I'm going to pick it up right now. It's a pickup at 1 o'clock local time. So I'm going to go do that right now. And we're heading to Dallas. But we don't have to be there till Monday. So it's been kind of nice staying at my cousin's, not going to lie. It's been nice to be around family and people in general. Bubba's been enjoying it. They got 2 cats over there. And my cousin's mother-in-law feeds Bubba Joe all day long, little scraps and stuff. So he's loving it. I left him back at the house right now, and I'm just gonna go pick this up and then head back to my cousin's. Dallas is only 1,000 miles away, give or take, maybe 50 miles. And I'm gonna probably leave sometime tonight or early tomorrow morning. Like I said, it's Saturday. I can do 1,000 miles a day. Do I want to do 1,000 miles all tomorrow? No. So I will do a little bit tonight. I'll probably do, 300-400 miles and finish off tomorrow. Get there at a decent time, get some good sleep, and get a new week started on Monday after we drop off.
Double checking?
Yeah.
Did you double check again?
So I went to go check in. They said it's not ready yet. And then this guy was just walking in that I just got the interaction with. And he's going to double check with me. It looks like he brought something in another van back there. That one right there. And hopefully he has what we're waiting for. But should only be 1 pallet, maybe 2. They told us 2, but it could be 1. It's not like they're telling us 1 and it could be 2. They're saying it could be 2, but more likely 1. So I'm cool with that. My cousin's place is like 30 minutes back that way, so I'm probably not gonna head back to her place just yet. So yeah, we'll see what's around here. It's kind of weird not having Bubba, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Probably gonna go wash the van actually. Now that I think about it, look at it. I think it's been to war. Try to do one every other week. It's about that time. Alright, so we showed up a little bit early. They weren't ready.
You have arrived.
But they gave us the call, said come back, please come back. And I'm here. I'm back.
It's my first time seeing you. Is it the first time you come here? Or you
Yeah, because every day I've been on different jobs. So I'm just always all over the place. I don't have like a specific route.
okay, yeah.
So
All right, well, see you again.
thank you, buddy. All right, so we're all loaded up as you can see. We're not super heavy, so 1 strap should do. I got the E-track with the boards loaded in, and we are ready to go. He's not there. My buddy's not there. All right, let's go get Bubba Joe and get the hell out of Arizona, huh? It's been nice, I'm not gonna lie, it's been nice, but I'm ready to go get back on the road and get back to making some money, huh? Let's do it.
Coming back.
Bubba Joe. Bubba Joe.
What's going on, everybody? Expediting America here. And a question I get asked from time to time is, how do I keep my Sprinter van clean? This thing is 274 inches long. That's just under 23 feet and 9 feet tall. So how do I keep it clean? And I could take it to a self-service car wash, you know, take the time, elbow grease, and as y'all know, a lot of quarters to do it. Or I can spend a few extra bucks, take it here to Blue Beacon Truck Wash. They're all over the United States. It's like the Chick-fil-A of truck washes. Great quality, great service every time. And that's what I do.
Bubba is so tired of you guys not subscribing to the channel, so if you haven't done it yet, subscribe. Grand rising from the desert on this lovely Sunday morning.
How you doing?
We made it about 350 miles, which means we have about 650 to go. We're gonna walk our little legs here, grab a treat from these nice people, get back on the road, enjoy some church, and enjoy our Sunday. He says thank you.
Took me a little nap. Went to the gym back in El Paso. They have like 3 or 4 Planet Fitnesses back there in El Paso. And now we're back on the road, about to go through border check here in Texas. Says we'll be at our destination around 2 o'clock in the morning. So we'll probably stop around midnight, maybe finish off in the morning. Maybe we'll go all the way. We'll see how we feel. I feel like I can go 7 more hours. I think it's like 7.5 more hours from where I am right now.
So U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else in the vehicle?
Nope, just him.
What are you holding? What is it?
I'm not really sure, but I'm going to Dallas. I got the paperwork if you want to take a look at it.
I used to do freight for airplanes and something that didn't know that I had.
They never.
They never tell you.
I used to ask all the time, and then I'm like, man, most people don't even know what loading up.
One time they made me transport a little box like this. I don't know what it was, but they needed it as soon as possible.
Yeah.
From El Paso to Indianapolis.
Okay, I'm going Arizona to Dallas, but yeah, I do that all the time, man. Thank you, brother.
Be safe. Take care.
Yes, sir. He said he used to be an expediter. He used to do last mile for, you know, airports and all that good stuff. Let's do it! Everybody in the back, come on up front! Let's go!
This is Bubba Joe before you subscribe, and this is him after. So why haven't you subscribed yet?
I did some damage in the past 24 hours. Hit a few bugs, but this is our scene right now here in the Fort Worth area. Thank God I'm not going right.
Left to continue on US 287 South.
Left.
In half a mile, keep left to stay on I-20 East.
Our delivery windows between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. We're gonna be there about 8:15. No complaints. We got a lot of sleep last night too. I think it was like 6 hours of sleep, 7 hours. Onward we go.
Today's breakdown of the numbers is brought to you by none other than our sponsor, Black Box My Car. Check them out at blackboxmycar.com for all your dash cam needs. We did 1,039 total miles. The job paid $1,000. 147 on gas, 140 for the dispatch fee. That's 14%. Pretty average, anywhere between 10% and 14%. I say is okay. Some people say not. That leaves us with $713 total dollars. We're rich. I am just kidding, guys. We are far from rich. In fact, that's why I started RoadDogJoe.com. So y'all can check out our merch and apparel if you want to help support the channel a little bit more. It helps out big time. Otherwise, thank you for just tuning in, watching, spending time with Bubba and I. Like, comment below, help with the YouTube algorithm, and most importantly, peace.